Hi everybody and welcome back to Math Magic. This week we don't have any magic. There are no tricks. But you just may find a good argument that will get you more pizza. Let's take a watch. So let's say you and your friend are just super hungry and all you want that day is pizza. So you and your friend, you go down to your local pizza shop and you look at the menu. Now you're not fancy. You just want a plain cheese pizza. And you can get an extra large for $23.15, or you can get a small for $12.10. Now, if you get a larger pizza, that just means you have more pizza to go around, but it's more expensive. And if you get a small pizza, well, that'll satisfy you for today, and it'll be a lot cheaper. But you're sensible, and you want to get the best bang for your dollar. How are you going to do that? You're going to find the area of each pizza and compare their cost per dollar. So, in order to find the area of the circle, or the area of the pizza, how much pizza you're actually getting, you need to multiply pi times the radius squared. Now, pi is a magical number that is consistent. That means it's always going to show up when you divide the circumference of a circle, or the distance around a circle, by the diameter, which is the width of the circle. And it's a pretty lengthy number. So you can see here, I have a couple digits of pi, but it goes on for trillions and trillions of numbers. So this is as far as we're going to go. And for the area, for the situation that we're in, we're only going to use 3.14. So now that we know what pi is, we need to find the radius. We already have information from earlier, which is the diameter, or the width of the circles, the width of the pizzas, which is either 18 inches or 12 inches, and the radius is half the diameter. So before I go on, let me explain what squaring means. Now on this slide, you can see there's a little 2 above the 4 in 3.14. So that essentially means I'm multiplying it by itself. So in this case, it's 3.14 times 3.14. The same way that if you're looking for the area of a square, you would multiply one side by itself. So I've already worked out the math for you. In an 18-inch pizza, the radius is 9 inches, so that's half of 18. So to find the whole area of the pizza, I'd multiply 9 times 3.14 squared, and that would equal 254 inches squared. Now don't forget your order of operations. You want to work out the squaring first in each of these problems. So in a 12-inch pizza, the radius is 6 inches, so 6 inches times 3.14 squared equals 201 inches squared. So because an extra large pizza at 18 inches is much larger than a 12-inch pizza, you would get 53 square inches more in the larger pizza. So for step 2, you need to find out how much pizza you get per dollar. In an extra large 18-inch pizza, you get 254 square inches of pizza. And now you need to divide that by how much it costs, which is $23.15, which would give you 10.97 square inches of pizza per $1 you spend. In a 12-inch pizza, you would get 201 square inches of pizza, and you divide that by $12.10, its cost, and you'd get 9.34 square inches of pizza per dollar. So per dollar you spend, you get 1.63 square inches more pizza per dollar when you get the extra large pizza versus the smaller one. All right, guys, just to further demonstrate my point, Lucy is going to show you how big a 10.97 square inch of pizza is. So that's how much you would get per dollar in an extra large pizza. And now this is 9.34 square inches of pizza, the piece of pizza you would get per dollar when you get the smaller one. So if we compare those two, thank you. If we compare those two, you can clearly see that you would get much more pizza per dollar if you get the extra large pizza versus the smaller one. Okay. Now, this is not my way of telling you that you should eat more pizza. You should buy more pizza, get the bigger pizza. Because one, it's not the healthiest food for us, and two, you just don't want to spend that much. And that's totally okay. But you can use this principle whenever you go shopping, whenever you're comparing two things and just trying to decide which one is the better value. With that being said, thank you so much for watching this week. Try it out when you go shopping and you buy your own thing. And Lucy and I will see you next time. And as always, if you liked our video, like and subscribe. And we'll see you later. Bye, guys. Bye.